don't feel like imagining, you don't feel like scripting, you don't feel like doing your affirmations, you don't feel like visualizing, you don't feel like making a vision board, that is all right. You just do what you feel like is right in your heart. Go for a walk, go running, go work out, read a book, do something else that'll take your mind away from forcing yourself to deliberately manifest. Whenever you're getting into this stuff, when you're first beginning, you know, it can become a little bit stressful, challenging. Take a break. You know, you're used to doing things your whole life a certain way, and all of a sudden you start getting into the spiritual world, and then you expect yourself to just instantly change. No. These changes are going to come habitually. You got to program yourself step by step, but you can do it. I know you can. I've been there, and I'm still going. And we're going to keep going until we die. But that's the beautiful thing.